Hello guys, welcome to my new and fresh video. In this video, I'm going to tell you about some software tricks of laptop that you might not know. By using these software tricks, you must show your friends how cool you are, or you know your laptop, or understand your laptop much better than them. And you may use these software tricks in regular work on laptop also. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. My first trick is Alt plus Tab, alternate plus Tab. These keys are used to switch program or tabs which you are using. For example, I am using this file explorer which is open, and one more file explorer only. Yes, he is. And by the pressing of Alt and Tab by one tab, you may open this. For example, it is opening. You just don't tap Alt plus Tab at the same time that it will look like this. Please don't do this. Try to do this one by one tab. Click on the tab one by one. Moving forward, my second tip is Alt plus F4, which is help in closing any app or program you have opened. For example, if I have opened this file explorer, by pressing Alt and F4 at the same time, it will close it. I have opened 2-3 file explorer. I have opened 2-3 file explorer. You may see from here. For you, I have opened 6 file explorer, and if I need to close, I just click on Alt F4. It is closing. You may see it is closed. And by using these tips only, you may just shut down your laptop also. So just shut down window and just press enter. It will go shut down. I don't want to, so I just not enter. Moving forward, which is Window D. Window D is help to minimize all the program or application which you are opening. For an example, if I open this file explorer by pressing a Window D, it will close it at a single click. It will close it. You will see by again pressing this Window D, it will also reopen your closed app which you close with the help of Window D. Okay. Moving forward, and if you want to improve your writing skills in Word or Notepad, for example, I just make a new file from here. And open this. And if I want to select this, for example, I just tap anything from here. For example, Aarav. All you know, Control plus C and V, you all know. So if you want software tricks, yes, this is my writing. And if I want to select this word, this word, I can select by moving my cursor also, or with the help of Shift plus arrow keys. How we can do it? Just press your cursor on. For example, I just press my cursor on after G or UP. Before UP, just click on this Shift. Click on one by one time this your arrow keys. It will work. Like you may see, it is working. And if I click on upper, it will also select this and this also. Yes, you may see it. Yes, it is working. It's also working for you also. So if I think you don't know this shortcut trick, you may use in daily life also by writing and show your friends how cool you are. Moving forward, if you use your this is for any browser. For example, I just open my Google Chrome. Here, search anything such as apple.in, and on next it's amazon.in. Yes, it's not having internet. It's showing no internet. And if I by mistake close this amazon.in, it will reopen, or you may reopen also by the clicking on this control history and and open it. You may also open there, but with the help of this it will also open, or you may just click on this arrow, right click on this arrow, and here you may reopen close tab. This is with the help of control plus shift plus D. Just click on this control plus shift plus D, it will also reopen your tab. Yes, apple.com. I will close apple.com. I open apple.com control plus shift plus D. You may see it is open. This is only the use of my next shortcut. Moving forward, this is control window D, and you want to switch your window if someone is surrounding you and you want not to sue them. I'm playing game or doing another work. You just click on this control window D. Whenever you click, it will open your new window. Yes, you may see it. It is opening new window. It is also open for you also. And if you open new window, so how to get on older window? It is with my next shortcut, which is control window left or right arrow key. Control window and left arrow. You may see it is moving also. And if you want to close your window, if you want to close your window, you just want to click control window and F4. With the help of it is closing, and you cannot close your primary window or your main window with the help of it. Don't try to close it. I'm trying, it is not closing, so you don't want to try it. And all the shortcuts are clear, but how to take screenshot in laptop? This is also having a shortcut trick, which is window plus print screen or PRT screen. PRT SCR, print screen, window plus print screen. You will see it is a screenshot. Yeah, this helps to take screenshot in window. There it is clicking screenshot. Moving forward, and how to open File Explorer? You must just click on this page from here. It will also open your File Explorer. But if you want to open with the help of shortcut break, you will open by clicking on this window plus E. Window E. This will open it. All the time tips are clear, and if you are having any doubt in my shortcut tricks, you may just write in the comment section. I will solve it from there. And only for you a bonus trick, which is how to open setting using shortcut trick. You may open setting with the help of this pressing window, and here setting. You must also click on this here, or you may just press window I. This will also open your setting. So this will also open your settings. Okay. So thank you for watching, and bye.